How to fix Ask Toolbar not uninstalling issue. Part 1, Traditional Methods. Uninstall the Ask Toolbar via Control Panel, Windows. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type upwiz.cpl and press Enter to open the Programs and Features window. Locate the Ask Toolbar in the list of installed programs and select it. Click on the Uninstall button to remove the toolbar from your computer. Use Command Prompt, Windows. Press Windows key plus X and select Command Prompt, Admin. Type the following command and press Enter. Omit product where name like Ask Toolbar %call uninstall / no interactive. Wait for the command to execute, and the Ask Toolbar should be removed. Use Terminal, Mac. Open Terminal on your Mac. You can find it in the Application/Utilities folder, or you can use Spotlight Search to locate it. Type the following command and press Enter, /library/application/support/askpartner-network/toolbar/updater/updater.exe. Uninstall silent. Wait for the command to execute, and the Ask Toolbar should be removed. Please note that these commands may not work in all cases, as the Ask Toolbar may use different names and locations on different computers. If these commands do not work for you, you may need to use an anti-malware tool or follow a more specific set of instructions. Part 2, to remove Ask Toolbar using command lines. To do so, you can follow these steps. Open the command prompt, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard, type CMD in the run box, and hit Enter. Navigate to the Ask Toolbar folder, type cdc:/. Program files, x86, /AskPartnerNetwork, without the quotes, and press Enter. If you have a 32-bit operating system, the folder path will be cdc:/program files /AskPartnerNetwork. Uninstall the Ask Toolbar, type updater.exe /uninstall, without the quotes, and press Enter. Follow the prompts. The uninstaller will guide you through the process of removing the Ask Toolbar from your computer. Follow the prompts to complete the removal. Note, if the above command doesn't work, you can also try running updater.exe /uninstall/product = toolbar, without the quotes, instead. Remove any remaining traces. Of the Ask Toolbar. Once the uninstall process is complete, it's a good idea to also manually remove any remaining traces of the Ask Toolbar from your computer. This may include cleaning up any leftover files, registry entries, and browser extensions. Overall, using command lines to remove the Ask Toolbar can be an effective way to ensure that all components of the software are removed from your system. However, if you are not comfortable with using command lines, you may prefer to use a dedicated uninstaller tool or manual removal instructions instead. Part 3, Restore browser settings, say, search engine provider. 3.1 Restore default search engine in Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome and click on the three dots on the Manage Search Engines option and locate the search engine you want to set as default. Click on the three dots next to the search engine and select Make Default. Alternatively, you can use the following code to set Google as the default search engine in Google Chrome. Chrome//settings/search engines in the search engine list. Locate Google and click on the three dots next to it. Select Make Default to set Google as your default search engine. 3.2. Restore default search engine in Mozilla Firefox. Open Mozilla Firefox and click on the three lines menu in the top right corner. Go to Options and select Search in the left-hand menu. Locate the search engine you want to set as default and click on the Set as Default button. Alternatively, you can use the following code to set Google as the default search engine in Mozilla Firefox. About preferences # search in the search engine list, locate Google and click on the Set as Default button to set Google as your default search engine. 3.3 Restore default search engine in Microsoft Edge. Open Microsoft Edge and click on the three dots menu in the top right corner. Go to Settings and click on the Privacy, Search, and Services tab. Click on the Address Bar and Search option and select the Manage Search Engines option. Locate the search engine you want to set as default and click on the Set as Default button. Alternatively, you can use the following code to set Google as the default search engine in Microsoft Edge. Edge//settings/search engines in the search engine list. Locate Google and click on the Set as Default button to set Google as your default search engine. Please note that the specific code or command to restore your default search engine may vary depending on your browser and operating system. Part 4. The Ask Toolbar is considered to be unwanted software by many users, and both itself and its promotion might be difficult to remove. However, there are a few tools you can use to remove it fast. Here are some options. 1. Ad Cleaner. Ad Cleaner is a free tool designed specifically to remove adware, toolbars, and other unwanted programs from your computer. Download and run Ad Cleaner, and it will scan your computer for the Ask Toolbar and other unwanted programs. Ad Cleaner will then give you the option to remove any detected threats. 2. Junkware Removal Tool. Junkware Removal Tool is a free tool that scans your computer for adware, toolbars, and other unwanted programs. Download and run Junkware Removal Tool, and it will scan your computer for the Ask Toolbar and other unwanted programs. Junkware Removal Tool will then give you the option to remove any detected threats. Please note that before downloading and running any of these tools, you should always make sure to download them from a reputable source, such as the official website of the tool. Additionally, always be careful when downloading and installing software from the internet and avoid installing any software that you don't trust, when it comes to potentially unwanted program.